Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing devices and initiating the first action. Make sure both Samsung screens are on the same Wi-Fi band, then open Settings and enable Smart View or Multi-Window on the source. Once done, tap the quick panel icon labeled Smart View, pick the receiving Samsung TV or tablet, and accept the connection prompt on the target device. If you prefer wired, plug the USB-C to HDMI or DX cable into the phone and the TV. The screen appears immediately and avoids wireless lag. Next, you'll refine how content displays and control where apps run. Once connected, open Smart View options and choose Duplicate for mirroring, Extend for independent screens, or DX for desktop mode. Make sure to set resolution to 1080p or auto to match the TV. Select 16:9 aspect when available for full screen. Then on the source, use multi-window gestures or the DX taskbar to drag apps to the external display. This lets you run video on the TV while keeping controls on your phone. Finish by locking settings and checking peripherals so the setup stays stable. Make sure rotation, lock, and battery saver are set as you need. Battery saver can throttle casting. Confirm audio output in sound settings and choose TV speakers or the phone depending on your use. If the screen blanks or lags, restart both Samsung devices, reselect the target in Smart View, and, if using cable, reseat the USB-C connection. This quick reboot resolves most sync and handshake errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.